Before you begin, remove the access panel, PCI retainer, and processor memory duct assembly. Removal. Press the release latch and remove the auxiliary power cable connectors from the holding slots in the PCI card guide. Disconnect the two fan cables from the system board. Press the front edge of the fan assembly and pull back to disengage the two release tabs. Carefully guide the fan assembly out of the chassis and remove. Replacement. Tow the tabs on the lower edge of the fan assembly into the cutouts in the chassis and press the release clips into the chassis until they snap into position. Connect the two fan cables into the connectors on the system board. Latch the auxiliary power cable connectors onto the holding slots in the PCI card guide.